Make a great choice today with the 2023 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $115,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.